wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are trying another round of trying Sheglam products. I was actually surprised the last time that I tried it how many people in the comments said that they've already tried it before, because I feel like I don't see that much of it on YouTube. I feel like the first place I even found out it existed was on TikTok, and that's where I see more of the items going viral. But also I feel like in general I don't really see people talking about like new makeup releases and stuff like that on YouTube anymore. So maybe like that's just the app where it all is. And because today's video is in partnership with Sheglam, they have been nice enough to send me some new stuff to check out, and I picked up the stuff that you guys said I need to check out. So if you guys want to see more, let's go. So this is their Welcome to Our Playground collection. The packaging is very cute. It's giving. I could color this in. I've been, getting back into drawing lately, so I can keep the cover of this and color it in. But anyway, this is what the inside, ooh, come on, the wig is not fully attached. What the inside looks like. This is their Color Craze crayon set. There is a cute little palette in here. Again, this is giving very much painter vibes, but if you want to mix foundations or mix pigments, you can use this. It's their mix and match color palette. And then over here, these are the Peekaboo multicolor color sticks. This is probably why there's a palette in here, because these are merry-go-round water activated shadow palette. So you can use the palette, mix it with some water, and then put it on the palette. And then this is the slip and slide gloss, which I go ahead and put on like right now because lips give it a little dry, just a little bit, not too much on me. And then there is a brush set in here that I'm assuming you can use with the water shadows. This is the Tag You're It brush set. Okay, so this is the packaging for the gloss, and that's the applicator. Okay, and it's just a clear gloss. Okay, so I'm gonna take the water activated shadow palette. Oh, I guess it's a little spray to activate them. Okay. So this is what the palette looks like. Oh, I should probably get the brush set. So I'm gonna use this brush. It looks like the tip that I would need. And then I guess I'm gonna try the little activator. Still haven't figured out what shade. Let's just say blue, I guess. Maybe I want red. Ooh. Spray a little abrasive. Now, might need a little thicker of a brush. That one's kind of light. The way I can do a straight line to save my life. Okay, so one thing you guys really said I need to check is the foundation. This is the Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I don't think you can see the color. Oh, okay. Now it has its own little slip. All right. This is what the foundation looks like. All right. Got a place to go after this. Okay. Okay. It's interesting. I want to say this is like velvety. And I also have their concealer. This is the 12-Hour Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Walnut. So the shade looks like this. I guess we brighten it today. So going back into that playground collection, to the multi-function color sticks. So usually when things are like multi-function, you can use them on your eyes, you can use them on the cheek, you can use them on your lips, and they've got some funky colors. There's this one, Sci-Fi. There's this one, Cyber Blue, if you want. I mean, this would probably be either a lip color or an eye color, but if you want blue blush, you could. And then there's this shade, which is Saturn Return. So I'm gonna use Saturn Return and Sci-Fi as blush today. And I guess just kind of, oh, okay, she's creamy. Dot it on a bit. I'm start small and see how it goes. I might build up to get more pigment of the mauve color. We'll see. Okay, y'all, so this is it for my face today. You know, especially since I don't do colorful looks that much. Oh, I forgot to mention the same two colors I used on my cheeks, I used on my lips, multifunctional. But you know, since I don't really do color like that anymore, there's a nice subtle way of doing it while still getting to play with the stuff that I tried on today. So for the stuff that I tried on, the water activated shadows, you know, like I said, can't do a straight line, but it did what it had to do. Using the brush, it helps with that, you know, type of precise as I could get it type line. So I like the brushes, and if you are going to play around with this colorful collection, the brushes, and if you do, you know, really detailed looks and whatnot, the brushes will probably help you there. And for the water activated shadows, if you do use water activated, then it was really easy to use, and they provide the little pump to put water in and activate them for you. What else did I try? The multifunctional, I like them. They were nice, they were buttery, they blended really easily. I thought they might be a little stiff of that type of creamy product, but they weren't when I tried to blend it out, and when you tried like feeling it on your finger. And you know, they've got some funky shades, but they've also got some pretty tame ones as well. Again, if you just want a normal everyday look. What else did I try? What else? The foundation. Again, blendable. Today's giving very blendable. It was very easy to blend. It looks nice on the skin. It looks smooth, like a little smoothing filter happened there, and it is more of a matte finish. I'll keep you updated on how it wears throughout the day, since it's a matte finish that keeps my oil in control. But you know, the weather now is giving like 52 maybe. The concealer, it blended out nicely. I feel like it still came together, but at first, I'm not gonna lie, it had me in the first half. I wasn't sure if it was too bright of a shade for me, but I feel like it worked out in the end. And yeah, I think that's it for what I tried today. I tried the foundation, the concealer, and then I used the playground collection, you know, like a multi thing all over the face. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Okay, trying new stuff, tried a new collection from the brand, and also tried things that you guys recommended, and you guys did not miss. I'll say that, you guys did not miss with that recommendation. So definitely make sure you check out everything that I tried on. It'll all be linked in the description down below. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.